Hi, stay tuned on how I achieve this beautiful Bantu knot out. Starting on freshly washed hair, and I have leave-in conditioner in my hair already. So for the products I'm going to be using today, I'm going to list it down below so you can get one for yourself. And I'm going to be using my brush and my hair ties to make sure that my hair stays in place. This is the second time I'm actually doing Bantu knot out, so I'm pretty excited. The first time I did it, I had a full headache and I couldn't sleep, and I just did not want to do them again. But someone advised me to just apply less pressure on my hair so I don't have headaches. So this time I'm trying again, and I'm going to apply my product on my hair. First start with the mousse and then apply the gel, and then I'm going to be using my brush to comb through my hair just because you want your hair to be even. And I'm going to roll my hair around, and I'm going to be using one index finger to create the bottom piece of it, and I'm going to use the other hand to roll the hair around the bottom piece. When I finish rolling my hair around, I am going to be using my hair tie or hairband to hold my hair in place, and I will do this and repeat for the rest of my hair. So one thing that I do want you to know, Bantu knot is quite similar to twist out. You want to make sure that your hair is smooth by brushing out your hair, and you want to make sure you don't pick from any other hair. And then you want to really roll, just keep on rolling your hair and rolling to ensure that your curls come out intact. And one advice that I'm going to give for Bantu knot really is your hair has to dry. When I say dry, it has to completely dry. Now this time, because I wanted my hair to be very dry, I stayed in the dryer for about 1.5 hours, because usually my hair takes a while to dry. And I knew that with Bantu knot, I wanted every section of my hair to dry, so I had to stay in the dryer longer. Now you can choose to just stay in the dryer for about maybe 45 minutes and just let your hair air dry in a day, and that works too. But that's my advice. So to take out, I'm going to be using this TGIN hair oil, which I will also name it down below, and then I will take out my hair. Now, these results, when I say I was shook, I was shocked. My hair, it was perfectly dry, and the curls, my hair has never turned out this well. And one thing that I am still learning and I'm struggling is how to clearly pick out my hair well, especially after curls, so I can maintain the curls. And honestly, I love a good big volume hair, and so I'm not so bothered about the curls, but I still really need to keep on practicing so that my curls really come out intact, because I found that a lot of the times during the times that I have to separate my curls or fluff my curls is when I mess my hair up and my curls start to look a little bit frizzy. And so I am still practicing, and we're gonna get better. You guys just watch and see. My hair is gonna get better. My separation method is gonna get better. So I'm just gonna keep on separating my hair, and as you can see, my curls are popping. This is the best. This is the absolute best I've ever seen my hair be. And I'm going to use my pick comb to start picking from the roots. So always pick from the roots. And if you are like me and you like your hair to be a little more fluffed, because usually on the first day your hair looks flat, and so for my hair to look a little bit full, I start from the roots, and then I start picking the way towards the ends of my hair, just so my hair is not too flat, because I love a full hair. Now by day 2, your hair should look much way better. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope this was helpful, and I hope my tips help you out. Try it out and let me know in the comments below what you think. Bye. See you in my next video.